Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share you how to create a simple basketball poster. So I have 7 photos here, the players of Phoenix Suns, and I will arrange it to a poster. I will place it all players here, and then I will add a square, and I will increase the length to make it a rectangle, and then rotate it. I'll make it like this. Now go to position. I will choose this photo and place it here, and then the Kevin Durant will be on the back of all, and I will place him here, and then I will place him here, rotate a little like this, and then I will rotate him like this and increase the size, place it here. So I will reduce the size of this one, and then let's go to position. We'll rotate it and place him upon the number 1. Set it here. Okay. Alright, and then let's change this rectangle to white color, and then add a border shadow horizontal, increase the size, and then rotate to make it have the same position with the rectangle. Now let's reduce the size. Now let's type the text SUNS. I will change the font to Yearbook Solid. And then I will change the font color to white, and then go to Effect and choose Outline, change the color to black, and then add the thickness to 75, duplicate it, place on the origin, and then go to Effect and change the color of the outline to orange. And then add the thickness to 150, and then go to position, send it behind the first text. Now let's add the Phoenix. I will change the font to Trade Gothic, bold, italic. Change the font color to black. Now you can adjust the position. I will make an adjustment. I will send it backward and increase the size and place here, so he has the same level with this player. Okay, so this is the tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.